We all have a voice inside our heads. It's the voice that comments on our day, our thoughts, our feelings. Sometimes it's loud and sometimes it's just a whisper. But it's always there, you know? This inner voice is what we call self-talk. It's how we talk to ourselves, about ourselves. And it plays a powerful role in shaping our lives. Self-talk is a constant stream of thoughts. These thoughts can be positive, negative, or neutral. Positive self-talk sounds like, I can do this, or I am worthy of love. Negative self-talk, however, might say, I'm not good enough, or I'm going to fail. The way we talk to ourselves really matters. The power of self-talk is, honestly, pretty amazing. Positive self-talk is like having a supportive friend by your side. It uplifts you, motivates you, and helps you see the best in yourself and the world around you. When you engage in positive self-talk, you build your confidence and self-esteem. You feel more capable of handling challenges and setbacks. Negative self-talk, on the other hand, can be incredibly damaging. It's like having a critic constantly putting you down. This negative inner voice can lead to self-doubt, anxiety, and low self-esteem. It can hold you back from pursuing your dreams and living your life to the fullest. Positive self-talk has been linked to numerous benefits for our mental and emotional well-being. When we speak kindly to ourselves, we cultivate a sense of self-compassion and acceptance. This can lead to increased happiness, reduced stress and anxiety, and improved overall mental health. Furthermore, positive self-talk can enhance our resilience. When faced with challenges, our inner voice can either empower us to overcome them or discourage us into giving up. By focusing on our strengths and believing in our ability to persevere, we build resilience and develop a more optimistic outlook on life. The first step to transforming negative self-talk is awareness. Pay attention to the thoughts running through your mind. Are they mostly positive or negative? Once you are aware of your negative thought patterns, you can start to challenge them. Ask yourself if there is evidence to support these negative thoughts, or if they are simply based on fear or insecurity. Replace negative thoughts with positive affirmations. For example, instead of saying I'm not good enough, try saying I am worthy and capable. Start a gratitude journal and write down things you are grateful for every day. This will help shift your focus towards the positive. Remember, changing your self-talk takes time and effort. Be patient and kind to yourself throughout the process. Just like you would nurture a close friend, nurture your relationship with yourself. Become your own biggest cheerleader. You have the power to create a positive and fulfilling life. It all starts with the way you talk to yourself.